Hi, I'm Charlie from Organic English, and I'm here to help you become more fluent in English. In this video, I'll be answering the question, why should we learn English? I'll also give you 5 general rules to help you learn English more easily. Remember to look in the description below for links to any notes and anything else that I mention in this video. Hi, my name's Charlie. Welcome to the very first video on my series of English teaching videos. I'm here today in beautiful, sunny Miami, Florida in the USA. The first question, and the most important question I get asked is, why do we need to learn English? The world is getting smaller and smaller. Thanks to the internet, globalization, more and more people are now communicating using English for business and for pleasure. Businesses big and small need to employ people who speak a language other than their native tongue. And English is the global language right now. Learning anything is difficult. So let me give you my 5 general rules to make things easier for you. Rule number 1. Learning English takes time and patience. So just relax, take it easy, and enjoy yourself. Enjoy the process. Rule number 2. The first thing you need is a good vocabulary. Without any words, you can't make sentences. Rule number 3. Daily practice is very important. So make sure you practice your English every day, even if it's just for a short time. Rule number 4. Making mistakes means you are trying. So the more mistakes you make, the more you will learn. Don't be shy. Rule number 5. The more you use English, the more confident you will become. And the more confident you become, the more you will use English. These are my 5 rules. You can do it. My lessons are aimed at all levels. There might be some words and ideas that you find easy, and there'll be others that you find more difficult. But hopefully everyone will be able to learn something from each lesson. So, see you next time.